Everybody loves a good fashion face-off. Even better when two Bollywood divas end up picking the same dress from the shelves of a designer. Look how stunning Rakul Preet Singh looked in this glamorous dress by designer duo Falguni Shane Peacock. The off-the-shoulder black dress with a gold shimmering pattern all over is what Rakul has picked for her diva era, and we love. But don't you feel that you have seen this dress somewhere? Let us refresh your memory. Kiara Advani donned the same dress when she graced the ramp for Falguni Shane Peacock at Lakme Fashion Week last year. The same strapless black sheer gown with gold detailing running through took the top spot on our shopping wish list as Kiara walked the ramp in this iconic dress. Now that brings us to the burning question. Who wore it better, Kiara or Rakul? Well, the dress is indeed beautiful, but it all comes down to the styling. Rakul kept her accessories to a minimum and styled her look with just a pair of gold statement earrings, black strappy heels and a small handbag. She went for soft curls, glam eye makeup, a dewy base and a shade of glossy nude lipstick. Kiara, on the other hand, did her styling differently. She donned a long bubble braid and went for well-defined smoky eyes to add to the drama. With this, she wore strappy black heels and painted her nails black. And can we just mention how she walked like a diva? She really gave the ultimate showstopper vibe. To sum it up, we think both the actresses looked awesome. But Kiara may have rocked the dress a little harder, thanks to her styling. Do you agree with us? Share your thoughts in the comments and do subscribe to Shosha for more on celeb fashion.